Okay, good afternoon to one and all. So, in the previous lecture, we have seen some of the problem related to three-phase transformer. Okay, and today also we will discuss regarding some of the problem on three-phase transformer. We have already concluded the theory part of three-phase transformer. So, we are taking some of the problem related to three-phase transformer. Okay, now see, all of you take next one problem, that is problem number first. We have already discussed previous, I think, two problem we have discussed. Now take today problem, a three-phase transformer, a three-phase 50 hertz transformer, three-phase 50 hertz, three-phase 50 hertz transformer has a delta connected primary, has a delta connected primary and star connected secondary. Star connected secondary. The line voltage being the line voltage being 22,000 volt, 22,000 volt and 400 volt respectively. 400 volt respectively. The secondary has a star connected balanced load, star connected balanced load at 0.8 power factor lagging, at 0.8 power factor lagging. The line current on the primary side is the line current on the primary side is 5 ampere, is 5 ampere. Determine the current in each coil. Determine the current in each coil. Determine the current in each coil of the primary and in each secondary line, and in each secondary line. What is the output? What is the output of the transformer? Output of the transformer in kW, in kW. झालं, लिहून झालं. Read the problem carefully. A three-phase 50 Hz transformer has a delta connected primary and star connected secondary. Line voltage, it is being 22,000 by 440 volt, sorry 400 volt respectively. The secondary has a star connected balanced load of 0.8 power factor lagging. The line current on the primary side is 5 ampere. Primary side line current, it is 5 ampere. Determine the current in each coil. Determine the current. Just 1 minute. Okay, read the problem carefully. Write down the given data. Tell me the given data. Hello. Tell me the given data.
Frequency 50 Hz.
Tell loudly. Given data. You all of you present, no? Hello. आवाज येतोय ना माझा?
Yes, sir.
Then give me reply. Tell the given data. What is to be given?
Frequency 50 Hz.
Okay, frequency is given, that is f is equals to 50 Hz. Next, read carefully and tell me the given data. F is equals to 50 Hz. Next, the line voltages being 22,000 volt and 400 volt respectively. Okay, line voltage dilele hai. So line voltage being 22,000, that is primary voltage is given V, or we can call it as a V primary, or VL1 it can be given, it is nothing but 22,000 volt. Then VL2 line voltage of secondary, it is also given, it is nothing but 400 volt. Next, the secondary has a star connected balanced load, that means power factor is given, power factor, that is cos phi is given, it is equals to 0.8. The line current on the primary side, that means primary sides are line current IL of primary, it is equals to 5 ampere, right? IL of primary, it is equals to 5 ampere. Determine the current in each coil of the primary side and in each secondary line. What we want to determine? काय determine करायचं आहे? Tell me what we want to determine. Determine the current in each coil of the primary. What is the meaning of that? Hello. What we want to determine?
Phase current.
Primary side is a phase current. Okay. So we want to determine phase current of primary side, it is equals to question mark. Again, each coil is nothing but phase current, each coil of the primary, and in each secondary line, whether it is phase current or line current, सांगा.
Line current.
Okay, so IL of line current we want to determine, that is IL of secondary. It is we want to determine. Again, what is the output of the transformer in kW? That means we want to also determine the output. That is output of a transformer. It is in kilowatt. So this quantity we want to determine by this problem. So see, delta star connection is given. That means primary of the transformer, it is connected in delta. Secondary of the transformer, it is connected in star. Secondary star मध्ये connect केले, primary delta मध्ये connect केले. Okay. Now see, it is a delta star connection. That is a delta to star connection. So in case of delta star connection, if we are not understanding, then draw the delta. Suppose this is the delta. Primary, it can be connected in delta. So here the primary, it is connected in delta. Secondary, it is connected in star. Secondary star मध्ये connect केले. Okay. On this secondary side, there is a load, it can be connected. याच्या secondary side ला काय केले, load connect केले, having an it is nothing but it is having an 0.5. Suppose we have considering here resistive load or impedance. So this is the load having an 0.8 power factor. Okay. Now see, this voltage is given, that is line voltage. So line voltage दिलेला आहे, याचं primary side चं 22,000 volt. Similarly, secondary side line voltage is given 400 volt, right? So that means the primary line voltage, it is equals to 22,000 volt, and secondary line voltage, it is nothing but 400 volt. I want to calculate the primary phase voltage. What is the value? Primary phase voltage ची value काय येईल? In case of delta, what is the relation between line voltage and phase voltage?
IL equal to √3 IP.
Line voltage and phase voltage चं म्हणतोय मी. In case of delta,
Equal.
both are equal, na? VL is equals to VPH, right? So primary line voltage, it is equals to primary phase voltage. That means it is also 22,000 volt. Now similarly, in case of secondary, what is the relation between what is the relation between phase voltage and line current, phase voltage and line voltage? So I want to calculate the secondary phase voltage. काय रिलेशन असतं? Star connected आहे. In case of star connection, what is the relation between phase voltage and line voltage?
VL equal to √3 VP.
VL is equals to √3 VPH. So I want to calculate the VPH. So it is nothing but VL divided by √3. VL is nothing but 400 divided by √3. So this is the secondary side phase voltage. Now we want to calculate the transformation ratio, that is V phase of secondary divided by V phase of primary. It is nothing but K, right? So it is equals to 400 divided by √3 divided by 22,000 म्हणजे V2 divided by V1, it is equals to K, right? V2 by V1, it is equals to K. So all of you calculate the value of K. K ची value calculate करा. Calculate the value of K. किती येते
0.01. 0.01.
0.01. K is equals to, I will write here 0.01. It is nothing but K. Now see what we want to calculate. आपण K calculate करून घेतला because it is useful while calculating other parameter. Now see, we have calculated K. We want to calculate the determine the current in each coil of the primary. Okay, प्रायमरीच्या प्रत्येक कॉइल मधला करंट कॅल्क्युलेट करायचा आहे. आय थिंक प्रायमरी साइड लाईन करंट इज गिवन, राईट? नो, प्रायमरी साइडचा लाईन करंट दिलेला आहे. दॅट मीन्स डेल्टा कनेक्टेड सिस्टीमचा लाईन करंट इट इज नथिंग बट 5 एम्पियर. व्हॉट इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन लाईन करंट अँड फेज करंट इन केस ऑफ डेल्टा कनेक्टेड सिस्टीम?
IL equal to √3 IP.
IL is equals to √3 VPH. So IL is equals to √3 IPH. So I want to calculate IPH of primary or IPP. काय येईल? IL upon √3. So it is equals to 5 divided by 5/√3, right? So it is nothing but current in each phase of the primary. प्रायमरीच्या प्रत्येक फेज मधला काय झाला? हा करंट झाला, राईट? सो वी हॅव कॅल्क्युलेटेड फर्स्ट वन, और IPP primary current at the primary side or phase current at the primary side, it is nothing but 5 divided by √3, right? 5 divided by √3. Now we want to calculate the secondary current. We want to calculate the value of secondary current. So do you know that the transformation ratio K, that is VPS divided by VPP, that means phase voltage of secondary side divided by phase voltage of primary, it is equals to primary current IPH of P divided by IPH of P divided by IPH of P divided by, whether it is correct, primary divided by secondary. So we will directly write primary divided by secondary phase current. We have calculated the value of primary phase current. So I want to calculate the value of secondary. Secondary ची value calculate करायचे according to equation. Suppose I am writing the value of K, I2 divided by I1. It is equals to K. So it is nothing but, sorry, here this equation, it is equals to K. I want to find out the value of this secondary current. Secondary phase current ची value काय करायची मला calculate करायची. काय येईल फॉर्म्युला secondary phase current ची value calculate करण्यासाठी? रेशो काय आहे? व्होल्टेजचा V2 डिवाइड बाय V1 आहे, म्हणजे सेकंडरी डिवाइड बाय प्रायमरी. करंटचा काय असतो? त्याच्या अपोजिट असतो, I1 डिवाइड बाय I2 असतो, म्हणजे प्रायमरी डिवाइड बाय सेकंडरी. सो प्रायमरी डिवाइड बाय सेकंडरी IPHP divided by I phase secondary, it is equals to K. I want to calculate I phase of secondary. I phase of secondary मला calculate करायचं आहे. So it is equals to IP primary divided by K, right? So it is equals to IPH of secondary, it is equals to this IPP divided by K. K ने डिवाइड केलं. IPP काय आहे? IPHP, it is nothing but 5 divided by √3 divide K. K ची व्हॅल्यू 0.01. What is the value of phase current of secondary side? काय येईल सेकंडरी साइडचा फेज करंट?
288.67.
288.57. कॅल्क्युलेशन व्यवस्थित केलं का? 5 डिवाइड बाय √3. किती येते?
5 divided by √3 equal to 2.88 येते.
2.88 येते का?
Yes, sir.
2.88 divided by 0.01.
Means
288.
288.
288. Okay,
हाँ.
ठीक. So it is equals to 288 point
67.
67 ampere. So it is the secondary value of current, whether it is phase current or line current.
Phase current of secondary.
Phase current of secondary. So phase current म्हणजे याच्यामधला करंट आपण कॅल्क्युलेट केला. What we want to calculate? We want to calculate, and in each secondary line we want to calculate line or phase. कोणता कॅल्क्युलेट करायचे?
Line.
Line current calculate करायचे. So secondary line current, I will represent here secondary side line current. It is equals to, what is the relation between phase current and line current in case of star?
Both are equal.
Both are equal. That means same जी काही व्हॅल्यू आली असेल फेज करंटची तीच व्हॅल्यू लाईन करंटची असेल. दॅट मीन्स इट इज 288.67 एम्पियर. राईट? बरोबर?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what we want to calculate, what is the output of the transformer in kW? Output of the transformer, it is in kW. So what is the formula for output power? Power चा formula काय? Output power P out. P out it is equals to काय formula?
VI cos phi.
VI cos phi. Whether it is line or phase power. Power चा formula काय? In case of star delta or it may be delta star, whether it is same, I have already tell in the previous one. डेल्टा कनेक्टेड लोड असेल तरी पण सेम येतो, स्टार कनेक्टेड लोड असेल तरी पण फॉर्म्युला सेम येतो. बट व्हॉट इज दॅट फॉर्म्युला? So formula for P out is nothing but 3 VPH into IPH into cos phi. म्हणजे तिन्ही फेज मधल्या पॉवरची काय करतो आपण? सिंगल फेज असेल VPH IPH cos phi प्लस VPH IPH cos phi. याचा अर्थ काय? 3 VPH IPH. तिन्ही फेज मधला करंट, तिन्ही फेज मधली पॉवर आपण ऍडिशन केली की टोटल पॉवर मिळेल. राईट? बरोबर ना?
Yes, sir.
इन केस ऑफ स्टार अँड इन केस ऑफ डेल्टा हेच इक्वेशन आपण डेल्टा आणि स्टारच्या फॉर्म मध्ये, म्हणजे डेल्टा मध्ये रिप्रेझेंट केलं तरी सेम येईल पॉवरचा फॉर्म्युला, स्टार मध्ये रिप्रेझेंट केलं तरी पण पॉवरचा फॉर्म्युला सेम असेल. सो सपोज वी आर कन्सिडरिंग इट इज कनेक्टेड इन डेल्टा. डेल्टा मध्ये कनेक्टेड असेल, व्हॉट इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन? इन्स्टेड ऑफ रिप्रेझेंटिंग फेज वी आर रिप्रेझेंटिंग लाईन. लाईन रिप्रेझेंट करतो आपण. सो VPH इन केस ऑफ डेल्टा काय असतं? 3 इंटू VPH च्या ठिकाणी काय लिहू शकतो आपण डेल्टा मध्ये? रिलेशन बिटवीन VL and VPH equal. So it is nothing but VL. Relation between IL and IPH in case of delta?
IL equal to √3 IP.
IL is equals to √3 IPH. मला IPH ची व्हॅल्यू लिहायची आहे. सो IL divided by
√3.
ओके इंटू cos phi. ओके, हा एक √3 याच्यामधला एक √3 गेट कॅन्सल. पॉवर फॉर्म्युला √3 VL IL cos phi. राईट?
Yes.
डेल्टा साठी बरोबर. काय आले आन्सर? √3 VL IL cos phi. In case of line value, if we are considering line value, then the formula it is nothing but √3 VL IL cos phi. In case of delta, so in case of star मध्ये काय येतो? हाच फॉर्म्युला. Again power output it is equals to 3 VPH into IPH into cos of phi. Okay. Tell me relation between line voltage and phase voltage in case of star. Star मध्ये
VL equal to √3 VPH.
VL is equals to root 3 VP.
Root 3 VPH.
So
Means,
VPH is equals to
VL
VL
equal to
divided by root 3
yes, sir.
into IL and IPH चा relation काय है?
Equal
Equal. That means instead
IL.
of writing IPH, I am writing IL into cos phi. So हा root 3 आणि याच्यामधला एक root 3 get cancel. So remaining term root 3 VL IL cos phi. See, whether the load it may be star or whether the load it may be delta, the power output formula remains same. बरोबर?
Yes,
बरोबर ना?
sir.
स्टार कनेक्टेड लोड असेल किंवा डेल्टा कनेक्टेड लोड असेल, पॉवर आउटपुट फॉर्म्युला काय राहील? सेम राहील.
Remain
इन केस
same.
ऑफ लाइन and in case of phase is also same. It is not depends upon load, whether it may be connected in delta or it is connected in star. So we are using this formula, that is root 3 power output, it is equals to root 3 VL IL cos phi. It is connected in star. So P out it is equals to root 3 VL IL cos phi. You people are having the value of VL, you are having the value of IL, also you are having the value of cos phi. So put that value and tell me the answer. Root 3. What is the value of VL in case of secondary? सेकंडरी मध्ये व्होल्टेज, लाईन व्होल्टेजची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे? हा
400.
right, 400. So it is equals to 400 into IL line current. Line current ची व्हॅल्यू
2.88.
ओके 2.88 का 288 आहे?
ती फेजची आहे.
फेजची सेकंडरी साइडच्या.
हा.
I think you are confusing. See, secondary साइडची
Yes, sir,
पॉवर,
yes, sir.
किती
Sorry,
पॉवर
sorry.
कॅल्क्युलेट करायला सांगितली आपल्याला? आउटपुट पॉवर. बरोबर ना?
Yes, sir.
हा, आउटपुट साइडला कोणतं कनेक्शन आहे? स्टार कनेक्शन आहे.
Star connection.
स्टार कनेक्शनचं लाईन व्होल्टेज किती आहे? दिलेलं आहे ऑलरेडी. 400 दिलेलं आहे. बरोबर? बरोबर ना?
Yes, sir.
हा, आणि याचा सेकंडरी साइडचा लाईन करंट आपण कॅल्क्युलेट केलेला आहे. किती आहे?
288.6.
288 आहे. 5 डिवाइड बाय रूट 3 हा प्रायमरी साइडचा झाला. बरोबर ना?
Yes, sir.
We want to calculate the output power. So we want to use 288.67, that is root 3 into 400, root 3 into 400 into 288.67 into cos phi. That means power factor is given. Power factor दिलेला आहे. Also balanced load म्हटलेलं आहे. So balanced load condition power factor is given, it is equals to 0.8. So this is the P out. It is in kW, kilowatt, not it is in kVA, it is in kW. सांगा किती येते आन्सर? Just do the calculation and tell me the answer. किती येतं आन्सर?
One five nine 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 7.15.
159999 हा
97.15.
97.13. Okay, so see, it is in watt or kilowatt?
Watt.
Watt.
It is in watt, no?
Yes.
Okay, so I want to represent it is into kilowatt. How it can be represented? किलोवॅट मध्ये मला रिप्रेझेंट करायचंय, किती येईल व्हॅल्यू मग? We want to find out it into kW. किती येईल?
$159.997.
Okay, 159.997 kW, right? So this is the P out, output power of the transformer, output power of the transformer. So these are the question. Find out the phase current in the primary, find out the line current in the secondary, and also find out the output power where it is connected to star connected load having a balanced load of 0.8 power factor lagging, right? Lakshit ala?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can I rub this? रब करू का, लिहायचं आहे?
झालंय सर.
Okay. Okay, take next one, second one problem. The input current to a three-phase, the input current to a three-phase step down transformer, to a three-phase step down transformer connected to an 11 kV supply system, connected to an 11 kV supply voltage, 11 kV supply voltage system is 14 ampere. Calculate the secondary line voltage. Calculate the secondary line voltage, secondary line voltage and current for first one star star, that means if the connection are star star, and second one delta star if the phase turns ratio is, if the phase turns ratio is 44. Read the problem carefully. Tell me the given data. टेल मी द गिवन डेटा. काय दिलेलं आहे बघा. इनपुट करंट टू अ स्टेप डाउन ट्रान्सफॉर्मर. ट्रान्सफॉर्मर कसा आहे, स्टेप डाउन ट्रान्सफॉर्मर आहे. अँड इनपुट करंट इज गिवन कनेक्टेड टू अ 11 kV सप्लाय सिस्टीम. दॅट मीन्स इनपुट साइड किंवा प्रायमरी साइड इट इज कनेक्टेड टू 11 kV सिस्टीम having an voltage 11 kV and the current of 14 ampere. What is given? काय दिलेलं आहे, प्रायमरी साइडचा डिटेल्स दिलेले आहेत. सपोज व्ही प्रायमरी लाईन व्होल्टेज दिलेलं आहे, दॅट इज 11 kV. Supply system is 14 ampere. Input current is given, that means line current at the primary, it is also given, it is nothing but 14 ampere. Calculate the secondary line voltage. Secondary line voltage, VL of secondary we want to calculate, and secondary line current, IL of secondary we want to calculate. IL of secondary we want to calculate when it is connected in star star and it is connected in delta star, and if the turns ratio is given. Turns ratio दिलेला आहे. So turns ratio म्हणजे secondary divided by primary, it is nothing but transformation ratio is given. So secondary divided by primary turns ratio it can be given, it is nothing but secondary secondary phase voltage किंवा phase turn म्हटलं तरी चालेल, because voltage and turns are equal. Secondary phase voltage divided by primary phase voltage, it is equals to K, it is equals to turns ratio 1:44. म्हणजे 44 दिलेला आहे, रेशियो आहे हो तो, so it is nothing but 1:44. Okay, now see, this is given. We want to calculate this quantity when it is connected to star star, when it is connected to delta delta. So first one we will take when it is connected to star star. Star star connection. So in case of star star connection, what is the line voltage? Line voltage दिलेला आहे 11 kV. VL of primary, it is nothing but 11 kV, is nothing but 1100 volt. We want to calculate phase voltage of primary, VVP calculate करायचं. सांगा, what is the formula or what is the relation?
VL equal to √3 VPH.
VL is equals to √3 VPH. I want to calculate VPH, so it is nothing but VL divided by √3. बरोबर, बरोबर ना. 11,000 divided by √3. So it is equals to किती येते value? Phase voltage of primary. स्टार मध्ये रिलेशन काय असतं? VL is equals to √3 VPH. So phase voltage of the primary side किती येते? हाँ 11,000 भागिले √3.
6350.85.
6350.85. Instead of writing 85, we are writing 51. It is in volt, right? 6351 volt. So we have calculated phase voltage of primary side. Now, similarly, we are calculating the secondary side phase voltage. Secondary side से phase voltage calculate करायचं आहे मला. So do you know that the formula? V phase of secondary divided by V phase of primary, it is equals to K. This is the again transformation ratio. तो काय आहे? Transformation ratio. So it is equals to V phase of secondary calculate करायचं आहे. So just VPP it can be shifted to this side. It is nothing but V phase of secondary, it is equals to K 1/44 into V phase 6351. So it is nothing but phase voltage of the secondary side. If we are multiplying by transformation ratio, it will becomes phase voltage of secondary side. किती येईल value? किती येते व्हॅल्यू?
144.34.
114 ना?
144.
144.34.
34.
It is in volt. काय कॅल्क्युलेट केलं आपण? Phase voltage of secondary side, right? What we want to calculate? काय कॅल्क्युलेट करायचंय?
Line voltage.
Line voltage of secondary side calculate करायचंय. So what is the relation between line voltage on the secondary side and phase voltage on the secondary side? If it is connected in star star, ज्यावेळेस स्टार स्टार कनेक्टेड आहे त्यावेळेस काय रिलेशन असेल? दॅट मीन्स आय वॉन्ट टू कॅल्क्युलेट VL ऑफ S
√3 VPH.
√3 VPH. So multiply by √3 into 144.34. किती येईल व्हॅल्यू? सो दिस इज आन्सर असेल VLS ऑफ सेकंडरी साइड किंवा लाईन व्होल्टेज ऑफ सेकंडरी साइड. किती येते?
250.87 volt. 250.87.
250.87. 250 का?
हाँ सर.
Okay, 250.87. We can write 251 or 250. It is nothing but volt. VLS of secondary side. So, okay, we have calculated one solution when it is connected to star star. One calculated, that is VL of S. Similarly, we are able to calculate IL of S. Calculate करू शकतो का मी? What I am having? I am having the value of line voltage of primary. Sorry, line current of primary. Primaryचा line current मला माहिती आहे. It is nothing but 14 ampere. Okay. If we calculate the phase current, tell in case of star connection, what is the relation between star and line? So what is the relation between phase and
IL
line?
equal to IPH.
Same rail. That means phase current of primary. Primaryचा phase current काय आला? It is equals to 14 ampere. So do you know that the transformation ratio K, it is equals to V2 divided by V1 is equals to N2 divided by N1 is equals to I1 divided by I2. Okay. So we know that I1 divided by I2, it is equals to K. Okay. We are having the value of I1. We are having the value of K. I want to calculate I2. म्हणजे मला काय करायचंय? I phase of secondary. I want to calculate. It is nothing but काय येईल बघा? 1 divided by 44. हा 44 इकडे शिफ्ट झाला. 14 into 44. बरोबर ना? 14 I1 into 1 divided by 44 आहे. तो इकडे शिफ्ट केला. It is nothing but 44. Multiply by 44. Right? Phase current of secondary side किती येईल? 14 गुणिले 44.
Uh, 616.
616 na? 616
Yes,
ampere. What we want to calculate? We want to calculate line current of secondary. What is the relation between line current and phase current in case of star system?
Equal.
That means line current of secondary, it is equals to 616 ampere. So this is the solution. We have calculated VL of S, IL of S when it is connected in star star. Similarly, we want to calculate it when it is connected in delta star. ज्यावेळेस डेल्टा स्टार मध्ये कनेक्टेड आहे त्यावेळेस काय करायचंय? कॅल्क्युलेट करायचे. सो ऑल ऑफ यू ट्राय टू कॅल्क्युलेट इन केस ऑफ डेल्टा स्टार. अप टू दॅट आय विल टेक अटेंडन्स. All of you try to solve and tell me the answer. केले कॅल्क्युलेट कोणी? सांगा एखादी व्हॅल्यू.
Phase voltage of primary 11,000 volt.
Phase voltage of primary okay, it is given 11,000 volt. What we want to calculate? Line voltage of secondary calculate करायचे मग. Phase voltage of primary माहिती आहे तुम्हाला. Transformation ratio you people know. So according to this you are able to calculate the phase voltage of secondary. Secondary चा phase voltage calculate करू शकाल. Once you have calculated the phase voltage of secondary, then we are able to calculate the line voltage of secondary. Secondary चा phase voltage किती आला? ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन रेशो ने मल्टिप्लाय केल्यानंतर हम्म
250 volt.
250 volt, right? It is the phase voltage of secondary, बरोबर?
Yes, sir.
What is the line voltage and phase voltage relation in the secondary side? Phase voltage तुम्ही कॅल्क्युलेट केलंय VP of secondary, it is nothing but 250. मला कॅल्क्युलेट करायचं आहे लाईन व्होल्टेज ऑफ सेकंडरी. काय रिलेशन आहे फेज आणि लाईनचं सेकंडरी साइडचं? इफ इट इज कनेक्टेड इन डेल्टा स्टार, दॅट मीन्स स्टार कनेक्शन आहे सेकंडरी साइडचं. काय रिलेशन?
VL equal to √3 VPH.
दॅट मीन्स मल्टिप्लाय बाय √3. याला मल्टिप्लाय बाय काय येईल? √3. इफ √3 मल्टिप्लाय, then you will get the value of line voltage of secondary side. And similarly calculate for line current. First of all calculate the phase current, after that calculate the line current. Okay, getting? लक्षात आले का?
Yes, sir.
So all of you solve this one, and hence we will conclude this today's lecture, and we will stop here. Thank you.
सर एक डाऊट होता.
Yes.
म्हणजे एक्झाम्पल मध्ये जर टर्न रेशो दिला तर ते प्रायमरी टू सेकंडरी असतो का?
टर्न्स रेशो का?
हा सर, ते 44 दिलं ना, मग तुम्ही घेताना 144 म्हणजे 1/44 घेतला ना.
एक मिनिट, हा ट्रान्सफॉर्मर काय आहे? स्टेप अप आहे का स्टेप डाऊन आहे?
स्टेप डाऊन.
स्टेप डाऊन आहे. व्हॉट इज द मिनिंग ऑफ स्टेप डाऊन? सेकंडरी साइडला कमी नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स असतील का प्रायमरी साइडला कमी नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स असतील?
प्रायमरी
कमी. बघा टर्न्स रेशो दिलेला आहे स्टेप डाऊन ट्रान्सफॉर्मर दिलेला आहे, म्हणजे स्टेप डाऊन होते. प्रायमरीचे व्होल्टेज जास्त आहे का कमी आहे?
जास्त.
हा, स्टेप डाऊन म्हणजे सेकंडरीचं व्होल्टेज कमी आहे.
हा.
सेकंडरी साइडला व्होल्टेज कमी आहे म्हटल्यानंतर नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स कमी असतील का जास्त असतील? ऍज कम्पेअर टू प्रायमरी कमी असतील ना.
N2 is greater than N1.
हा, म्हणजे याचा मिनिंग काय झालं? स्टेप डाऊनचा मिनिंग काय असतो? सेकंडरी साइड टर्न्स इज लेस दॅन प्रायमरी नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स. याचाच अर्थ काय झाला? N1 ग्रेटर दॅन N2 किंवा N2 लेस दॅन N1. बरोबर ना?
येस सर.
मी काय लिहिलेलं आहे सेंटेन्स इथं? हा टर्न्स रेशो आहे. 1:44 लिहायचा का 44:1 लिहायचं? हे कशावरती डिपेंड राहील? सेकंडरी डिवाइड बाय प्रायमरी लिहितोय का प्रायमरी डिवाइड बाय सेकंडरी लिहितोय? मी काय लिहिलं? सेकंडरी डिवाइड बाय प्रायमरी. सो सेकंडरीला 1 नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स असतील तर कमी व्होल्टेज येईल. जर मी असं लिहिलं सेकंडरी डिवाइड बाय प्रायमरी आणि 44 डिवाइड बाय 1 लिहिलं, वेदर इट इज स्टेप डाउन ट्रान्सफॉर्मर?
Step up transformer.
It is step up transformer. So like that you understood whether it is 44 divided by 1 or 1 divided by 44. लक्षात आलं?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So hence we will conclude and we will stop here. Thank you.